Red peacock? Is this supposed to be bronzer? Hey, so we have original Beyblades and we have duplicate Beyblades, but what's the difference? So in this video I'm going to show you what are the original Beyblades and what is considered to be an original Beyblade and what are the fake ones and how we can differentiate between the two and identify a good original one if you're going to buy it online. In this video I'm going to focus only on the plastic generation Beyblades like this one right over here, and I'm not going to go into the metal series or the burst series ones. So if you're looking to identify the fake Beyblades in those generations, this is not the video for you, so save your time and stop this video right now. Right, now let's get to it. So before we can identify a Beyblade as an original or a duplicate one, we need to understand what is considered as an original Beyblade. So the Beyblades are actually made by a company called Takara in Japan. So they are the owners of these Beyblades and they made the anime series to boost the sales. So and it really worked, you know, right? It's like a very famous series now and they sold a lot of toys. So the Beyblades made by that company will be exactly similar to how you see in the anime, like exactly the same. So usually when we say an original Beyblade, we are going to consider the Beyblades made by this company as the pure original ones. And then this company gave the license to build these Beyblades to some other companies like Sonokong and Hasbro in US and other territories. So these Sonokong and Hasbro are also considered as original, but the original of the original will be the Takara ones, right? But these three can be considered as the good quality ones, and the parts are good, and the metals used in them are also like not harmful to us in any way. So when we say original ones, we are looking for the Beyblades made by these three companies. Okay. So and when we talk about the duplicate ones, any other company that makes the Beyblades that are not among these three are considered duplicate. The problem is that the parts used by these duplicate Beyblades will be like very weak, and the metals used in them will be like it can be harmful to us because the materials used will be not really good. So when you're planning to buy a plastic generation Beyblade, you need to first decide on like what is your intention of buying it, because right now these are not like in stores for sale because the sales stopped I think in 2004 or something. So the only place that you can get these Beyblades are like from a person who has kept them collected over the years, or someone who is trying to sell them as a used item or a second hand item, right? So when you are going to buy this, you need to first understand like what is your purpose. Like, do you want to buy it because it's nostalgic to you and you want to keep it for in the showcase for a display, and you have a low budget and you're not planning to use it for any battles or anything like that, then maybe you can go for the duplicates, right? Because it will look similar to the original ones. So if you're just going to keep it for display, then I think it is fine to go with the duplicate ones if your budget is low, because the duplicate will cost less than the original ones. But on the other hand, if you want to take part in contests or competitions, and if you are going to use the Beyblade for fights, then I strongly recommend that you go for the original ones, because even though the duplicates look similar to the original ones, it won't be as strong. So if you use a duplicate one in a fight, after some time it will surely break. The plastic will break and it might impale you, and the metal, the weight disc, it'll break, and the parts of that metal weight disc, right, it is sometimes it is poisonous to you based on the company, the duplicate company that you buy it from. Some companies use lead in them, and lead is not good for us humans. So if you like try to save some money on buying an original and you buy a duplicate one and you use it for a fight, eventually you will have to go to the hospital and you have to spend a lot of money over there for lead poisoning. So don't do that. So if you're going to use it in a fight, or you're going to somehow anything other than just keeping it in the showcase, go for the original one. That's what I have to say. So now that we have an understanding of what are the original ones and what are the duplicate ones, I think I can show you now based on like this is the method that I use to identify Beyblades as original or duplicate. So we have two categories. One is the Beyblade is in its box, it has to be a sealed box. That's the condition. You can't, it shouldn't be like opened. Then we can't say if something was changed from inside. So the box has to be sealed. And the next one is that you're buying a used Beyblade that is like already assembled. It'll look something like this, right? So you're buying something like this without the box, without any accessories. You're just getting the Beyblade. This is an original Takara packaging for the Beyblade Burning Cerberus, which is Zio's Beyblade in the Beyblade V4. So you can see Zio's photo shown in the right side bottom. So this is the Takara's original packaging. So you can see most of the things are written in Japanese, and the thing to spot over here is that right side bottom, just below Zio's photo, you can see something written. So this is the place where the company's name is actually written. So I'm not sure what is written over here, but I have noticed that this is present for all of Takara's packagings for the plastic generation. So when you are planning to buy a Takara Beyblade and you're looking at the packaging, make sure that this part is there in the right side bottom. And in this photo you can see a Sonokong Beyblade, and you can again see that at the right side bottom you can see the company's symbol is given SOK. And finally we have the Hasbro packaging. So you can see that it's written in mostly English, but you can see the company logo on the right side bottom. So always keep your eyes out for the right side bottom, because that's where the company name will be shown. Just make sure that it's either Takara, Sonokong or Hasbro. So earlier I showed you this list of duplicate Beyblades, right? So the most dangerous among these list is the one that contains lead in them, that is this one, TT Hongley. So you can see on the right side bottom, you can see their symbol is provided, and the rest of the things look similar to the Takara and Sonokong, but the right side bottom symbol is their own. So you can use this to identify this, and when you see this, just run away, don't buy it. And I have a few more examples of other companies that are making duplicate Beyblades. So let me again show you. And here I have a set of duplicate Beyblades over here, and I don't know what this company is called, but there is a 5 and it looks like a star. So either way we won't mistake it for the original, because we can see the 5 and the star symbol, and the names that they gave for these Beyblades are like disasters, like red peacock, black turtle, blue dragon, white tiger, and like if that was only it was fine, but look at this one. Like, is it written Lori K fighting tortoise 5? I mean, what does that even mean? But either way, thanks to these lame names that they give, we can easily identify them as duplicates, so it's good in that way. So that's it that I have to say for the packaged Beyblades for identifying the duplicates. Now I'll tell you how we can identify the loose Beyblades that are not in their packaging and that have been removed, and that will be most likely sold to you as a used item. Alright, so I have a couple of original Beyblades with me, so I'm going to show you how we can identify Beyblades by looking at its parts, right? So right now, first of all, I have a Dragoon V, Dragoon Victory. So as you can see, the first thing that I look for are the stickers and the visible parts. So like I was saying, you can look for the original product photos on Google and on that site. So you can just, based on the photos, or the if you are able to get it in your hand, you can just check if all the parts are similar to the ones shown in the photos. Then look for the stickers. So for the original Takara ones, we have the name in Japanese over here, and we have a number over here. So this number is actually used for unlocking something in a game, and right now I don't think this game is used much. So either way, I'll put a screenshot of the game while I'm editing this video. So let's there are no other significant like other than the stickers, there is nothing written over here in the plastic. So let us open this and let's see what is written inside. So taking this apart, for the attack ring and the bit chip, I don't see anything written over here. Same for the weight disc, it looks pretty plain. But when we see the base, we can see that something is written. So let me just take this out, right? And now if I focus, you can see some things are written over here. So it's, you can see clearly it's written Takara 2002. It's not visible. 2001 China. So it is made in China, but it is a Takara product. So the Japanese also made these things in China, right? So you can see some more details over here. 80 BP2, not sure what those means. And you can see a clock type thing over here. Is this some kind of recycled plastic symbol? Not really sure again. But see, now you can understand that this Beyblade as a whole is an original product. It's an Takara product, right? So I'll move that aside. Let's try for another Beyblade. So this is the Voltaic Ape, and I bought this second hand. So I'm missing a few parts. So you can see I'm missing the spin gear clips, and I'm missing the support part completely. So and also the stickers on this one. So if you think about it, the Voltaic Ape came with the blue stickers. These ones, same blue ones were supposed to be here, but over here it's golden. And the golden stickers actually came for the green version of this Beyblade, so I can't say that this is a fake stickers. These are like stickers for another version, but somehow the old user, I mean the old owner, actually put them over here, right? So let's take this out and let's see what's written. Okay, so for this over here we can readily see Takara 2002 China. It's written over there, right? You can see the trademark over there, and on the other side again it will be written similar 80 BB2 and TX, and not again not sure what that is for. And we can get that clock type of thing over here inside. Not sure what this is. So if you know about this, please comment it below so that I can understand what this means. And looking at the rest of the Beyblade, the weight disc is okay. So the weight disc does not contain anything much, and the blade base is completely plain. Nothing at all is written over here. So I think in one Beyblade, in only one part it's written, so you just keep your eyes out, right? So let's look at another special one. So this is a Dragoon V2 RC. So this is not like the normal Beyblade, so we don't have the base, like detachable base. So let's take this open and let's see where is that trademark. And okay, for this one I'm not able to see any thing written over here, right? So maybe it's over here. So the stickers are pretty damaged, but yeah, here it is. See, Takara 2002 China, and you can see it, right? So this is what again. So this will be some other 80 BB2. What does that mean though? And there is another recycle symbol over here. We don't get that clock symbol on this one. So that's that, and this is another one. This is Wolborg 2. So Wolborg 2 also has a set of different stickers which are like stuck upon the original ones over here, and I'm missing a couple of ones over here. So in this one, if you see, I don't have that number over here. I only have the name. So not sure what that is about, but over here you can see the rubber tip. So this is a good sign. Fake ones don't really have rubber tips, so this is a good sign. So let's open this up. It's too tight. Come on. Yeah, right. Okay. So on checking over here, we don't have anything written. I can see B, but not sure what that is. So again, the weight disc is pretty plain, and over here again we have these things at the base. So this is a bit different. This does not write Takara as in, but it writes different. But as far as I'm aware, this is a Takara Beyblade. And when I saw an unboxing video of an original Beyblade of Takara, it also had this one. So this is Takara, but not sure why they changed the name to HU/T. Maybe the factory was different or something, I'm not sure. Again, we have the clock thing over here going on, and there is a separate China written over here. China. and I'll show you the last one. And this is burning Cerberus. So I recently did a video on Cerberus. I'm not sure if I'm going to post it before or after posting this one, so either way, let's open. And I had to drop it. Yikes. Okay, so this is burning Cerberus, and if I look inside, hey, I have the clock symbol over here. So got the clock symbol, and there's a B over here. Not sure what that signifies. So that is there. Nothing, no other details are present over there. So you can, the weight disk is pretty plain again. And this one, not sure if anything is written. So I removed this finger. There is nothing much written over here. So I'm seeing the base now, and I don't see any thing written over here. But if I take this out, you can see the right, it's written over here, ATBB2 TX. And again, if I remove the side, it's written Takara 2002 China. So now you know how we can identify a complete Beyblade part as original or duplicate. But if thinking about it, right, you need to be careful, because if someone just keeps this base and they don't use the original weight disk, they switch the weight disk with a duplicate one, then you're going to have to be careful, because you need to clearly look at the weight disk and understand. So this is the hard part. It's more easier to identify the original ones when it is in the box. So that concludes our video. If you found this video helpful, leave me a like, and if you have any suggestions, leave it in the comments below. So take care, and thank you. Bye bye.